You need to use a support at the beginning. It can be a yoga blanket, cushion, or a pillow. Sit cross-legged on the edge of your support. Put your fingertips on the floor next to your hips. Press fingertips softly against the floor and lift the chest and trunk up. Place the palms on your thighs or knees. Look forward at your eye level, and when you feel ready, close your eyes. Sit erect so that the trunk, neck, and head are in a straight line. Take several soft and deep breaths. And be aware of the whole body from the top of the head to fingertips and toes. Relax your face. Relax the neck and shoulders. Release the groin, thighs, and knees area. And let your leg sink towards the floor. Again, take several soft and deep breaths. Release everything you've seen, you've heard and done from the morning until now. And keep focus in your body frame right now, right here. Take the breath back to the normal and natural breath. Be aware of the breath that you do through your nose, and maintain awareness of every single breath that coming in and going out at this area, the area of entrance of nostrils. If you have lost your concentration, take a deep breath and slowly turn your mind to the breath again. The breath through the nostrils that coming in and going out. Feel the cold air as you inhale and feel the warm air as you exhale at the entrance of your nostrils. Join your palms together in front of your chest. Take a deep and soft breath. Bend your head slowly down towards your chest. Place palms on knees, and when you feel ready, open your eyes and lift your head.